Here with me is the best player of the game, the Hammer, Baser Amer. You know, 9 seems to be your lucky number. 19 points and 9 rebounds. Alam mo, Baser, mahirap talunan ng isang we-not-me team katulad ng Alaska. Pero Meralco dominated kahit wala si Cliff Hodge. Ano ba yung agreement nyo? Bakit napaka-balanced yung scoring yung lahat?
Naging ano lang kami, naging aggressive lang kami sa game. Naging good start lang kami. Maganda yung defense namin, maganda yung offense namin, and yun, naging maganda yung resulta.
Now, you guys were leading as much as 25 points, pero last few minutes, yung Alaska humabol. They narrowed it down to 10 points. Nakita ko naman si Jimmy Lepag tumabi sa'yo, kinausap ka, talking to you passionately. Ano yung sinasabi niya sa'yo nun?
Sabi lang niya sa akin, kailangan maging leader ako sa loob. And kung ano may pinakita ko, kailangan mas dudublihin ko pa.
Now, oras na para batiin mo naman ang mga fans at invite niyo sila sa next game.
Binabati ko lahat ng Meralco fans. Sana nandiyan kayo lagi. And of course, yung Ravenna, Altamirano family, Africa, Tugade family, De Leon and Balgan family, tsaka yung si Justin and si Kyrie, si John Buscado, pati si Roel, and yung parents ko sa Davao.
Awesome performance. Baser the Hammer Amer.